Fully charged device with supplied USB-C cable before first use. Fill the water tank with water no more than the top of the locals of XMAX and Tunke. Stretchable glass mouthpiece. Rotate the atomizer cap. Use the dab tool to place a small amount of concentrate. Click the power button 5 times consecutively to turn on. Click the power button 3 times consecutively to change the temperature. 5 temperature settings. Session mode. Click the power button 2 times to start heating for 15 seconds. After each 15 seconds, just click the power button 2 times to start a new session. On-demand mode. Press and hold the power button for vaping maximum 15 seconds per time. Release the button and hold press for another session. Click the power button 5 times consecutively to turn off. Remove the glass mouthpiece, heating element, and water tank. Heating element cleaning. Use a cotton swab to clean gently. Glass mouthpiece cleaning. Use a pipe cleaner to clean gently. Water tank cleaning. Use a pipe cleaner to clean gently. Stainless steel air pipe cleaning. Use a pipe cleaner to clean gently. O-ring replacement. Use a tweezer to take off and replace an O-ring.